Welcome to my visual home tours. Welcome to your new elegant custom-built home with access to Lake Upchurch. This family-friendly neighborhood includes private access to the community pier and boat ramp. Located in the highly desirable Jack Britt School District. Beautiful open-concept kitchen with breakfast bar, granite counters, tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances. Formal dining room just off a foyer with coffered ceiling. A bright oversized sunroom is connected to the great room. Drop zone off of the garage entrance and an in-law suite downstairs for guests. Upstairs features 4 bedrooms and a laundry room. The luxurious master suite has a tray ceiling, 2 WICs, 2 separate vanities and separate garden tub and shower. Fully fenced backyard with custom patio and fire pit, an irrigation system and landscape lighting.